Hi everyone, this is Kim from Expression Artworks. I have with me this wood round that I got from Michaels. It's a 5x5 and I'm using Dixie Belle Vintage Duck Egg, which I absolutely love. I use it so much for so many projects. I just find like it's a great neutral blue. It's got undertones of gray and even a little bit of green, and it's just, like I said, a real neutral blue that you could use all season long, really. So I'm just painting the surface and around the edges. Then I'm going to give it a really good dry because I'm going to be applying a transfer to it. But before I do that, I'm taking my gator and I'm sanding out just to give it a smooth finish and also to distress the sides a little bit. And then I have this beautiful like love letter transfer with some scripted words that I got from Essential Stencil. It came in like the vintage Valentine's bundle. And I'm just burnishing it down, making sure it's adhering to the wood really well. And then I'm going to slowly remove it and take my time. This way, in case there's a little bit that comes up, I could just put it right back down and continue to burnish. I really love the look of the transfer because it already has like that aged vintage vibe look. Then I have this beautiful vintage lace that I already had. I love all the detail and the intricacy of it, and I thought it would really tie in nicely with this transfer. So I just cut out a couple of pieces, decided where I wanted them to be on the round. And it was fun adding some texture and making it my own. Then I took my Titebond Quick and Thick and just used a small brush because the lace is so delicate. I just wanted to kind of apply the glue on more of the applique area where the lace is a little bit thicker. And then I just kind of went in and touched it up where needed, just to make sure that lace was adhered properly. I also have an easel that I stained with some dark wax so I could apply the wood round on the easel so it could, just making a cute shelf sitter. The easel I had stained on my own, it's not in the video. And there she is. I really like the way it came out. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. Have a great day.